Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix our top bar not show correctly with our header in WordPress. Our top bar is overlapping with our header. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using plugin for top bar and then on top you see top bar but overlapping with our header. So our header content show behind top bar. So we are going to fix it. So first we are going to find out custom class or ID for our header. Now right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see navigation class. So when we hover on it, on screen you see this class highlighted header section. Now click on it, on right side you see class. So you can find out your class or ID. Now we are going to add some margin or padding. So we are going to add it margin top 30px and then you see this is our custom CSS class with margin top. You will find your class or ID by using inspect element for header. Now you see our header is show correctly with our top header. So we are going to add this class with custom CSS in customize section in WordPress. Now copy this and back to customize section. So we are in additional CSS. Now paste and then you see we added body, navigation bar, no background, header, margin top 30px. So click on publish. Now publish done. Back to website, refresh the page. Now you see our header layout is good for desktop layout. Now go to mobile layout. Now you see refresh the page. So our current custom CSS apply for all layout but on mobile layout you see some issue. So we are going to add custom CSS for mobile layout. Now back to customize section in additional CSS. We are using media only screen, maximum width 1000 pixel. So you can add pixel according to your requirement. For mobile 767 is good. Now paste and then you see body, navigation, no background, header, margin top 35 pixel. So we added margin top 34, desktop 35 for maximum width screen 1000 pixel. So click on publish. Now publish done. Back to website again and refresh the page. Now you see our issue is also fixed on mobile layout. So we added 30px for desktop and 35px for mobile screen. Now you see, and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.